Hi there, everyone. Bernie Tully, Pittsburgh attorney. Welcome to our Facebook group page. We're so excited that you're joining us because we have a new idea here. And the new idea is not to sell you anything, not to say Bernie Tully should represent you in your case, but rather just to provide you with information in certain legal situations, and then you can decide to do with it what you may to help you. And today I want to talk about the coronavirus and the deaths that are occurring, and whether a claim can be made for someone who tragically dies from coronavirus. The concept or the idea legally is pretty simple. You have to show that one is someone died tragically, and here would be because of the coronavirus. And the second half of the equation is you have to show that they died because of somebody else's carelessness, or in the law it's called negligence, but that's just fancy words. Did somebody not do something they were supposed to do, and that led to a person's death? That's the very definition that is involved in this coronavirus cases. In nursing homes, it seems pretty clear what we talked about because of the confined area. Has it been the lack or the carelessness of the nursing home by not adequately providing sanitary environment, and that led to a person's passing? In the allegations in the food industry, it was just on the news last night, Tyson Food and a couple of the other ones, the employees are claiming that they are not allowed to do certain things that are keeping them from spreading the coronavirus, and that's leading to deaths. So whether it's a particular company or the food industry in general, you can see where the idea is the same. The allegations are that the company is not allowing the workers even enough time to wipe their nose or wash their hands between shifts or even breaks, because it's more. We have to get this out. We have to get this out. And if that leads to the spread of the coronavirus and someone dying, you have the basis for a claim, for a death claim. And a lot of times what you hear is pushback from the companies and the insurance companies, or, well, for example, in a nursing home, this is the way they look at it. Well, they were old and elderly anyway, and, you know, they were going to die anyway. Believe it or not, you hear a lot of insurance companies with that type of attitude. They don't come out and write out and say that, but that's what the gist of it is. And there's also another idea in the law, and it's one that can help you in your situation. It's called the eggshell rule. All that means is a defendant who causes a fatality, they take the victim as they find them. And the fact that they're elderly, the fact that they're frail, the fact that they had pre-existing injuries, so what? Still is the basis for a claim for this coronavirus. So I hope it helps you a little bit to understand it about the whole environment. If you happen to be a family member who dies tragically as a result of coronavirus, the idea behind it legally is you have to show somebody else was at fault, and that fault or carelessness led to the fatality. Hope it helps a little bit. Bernie Tully. We're only here to provide you information, and thanks so much for watching this video.